Well, hi YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have another mystery box for you guys. This one is a very small mystery box though. It's going to be a lot different than what we normally see. However, I really wanted to test this one out, and I've seen a lot of people commenting and stuff down below asking me to test this one out because it's an interesting concept for a mystery box. So this is what we'll be opening up today. However, before we do get into that unboxing, I do want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Manscaped. Manscaped is my go-to source for all my grooming needs. One of the newest things that Manscaped has come out with recently is the Shears 2.0, which is a 4-piece nail kit set, guys, and this thing is absolutely essential if you guys are going to be hitting the beach or the pool this summer. As sneakerheads, we're usually wearing shoes all the time, but I mean in the summertime, guys, if you guys are going to the beach or the pool, most of the time you're going to be wearing slippers or flip-flops, as mainland people call it. I like slippers better, which means that those nasty unclipped quarantine toes are going to be out there for everybody to see, and that's why you guys want this Shears 2.0 kit, so you guys are able to clean those things up and make sure you guys are looking your best. So if you guys are interested in trying out Manscaped today, then go to the description below, click on the link, and use code UNTIED for 20% off as well as free shipping. Check it out, guys. I love Manscaped and I know you guys will too. Anyway, guys, let us check out today's mystery box over here. Like I said, this mystery box is a lot smaller than what we're used to. Very small actually, and I think this is not necessarily a sneaker mystery box. And what I mean by that is this box was actually picked up from SNKRFLEA, SNKRFLEA. I believe they're a shop out in New York or somewhere in that area, somewhere on the East Coast. But I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers like promoting this like golden ticket thing from SNKRFLEA recently, where they do like mystery boxes and stuff. You buy a mystery box, and if you have like a golden ticket in your mystery box, then you can redeem it for crazy shoes. And the crazy shoe for this mystery box period was a pair of Red Octobers. I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, I'm not super confident that this is like a legit thing. And when I was watching like Harrison Neville and Seth Fowler and Kais talking about this thing, it sounds like a really cool idea. It's just that I'm not sure how the transparency of like winners and stuff go. I was checking out SNKRFLEA's like Instagram stories and stuff, and they post the winners and stuff over there, but I'm just not sure like just how many winners and stuff there are. It's not really clear on the website, and it's just, I don't know, there just seems like something weird about it. So I decided to check it out for myself, bought this box, see what the hype is about, and then just see if we can actually win a pair of Red Octobers, which would be insane, and I would be taking back all of this stuff. So we'll see. Anyway, let's open it up and I'll show you guys what this is. And so I'm guessing that they actually sent all 3 of my mystery boxes at the same time. I bought 3 of these things. Each of the mystery boxes were $130 each. So it came out to like $400-ish with like shipping and tax and stuff. So that is what is in here, guys. And from the looks of it, we have like a lot of shirts and stuff in here. So I'll pull these out. Hopefully we're looking for a golden ticket, like I said again. So fingers crossed, guys. Over here we have 2 pairs of ASSC t-shirts. ASSC as in Antisocial Social Club. I'm not going to open these up because I'm not a big Antisocial Social Club. Gosh dang, that's like a super big tongue twister. I hate that. I'm not a big ASSC guy. I'll use the acronym instead. So yeah, I'm probably going to try to sell these. I'm not sure if you can even move these on StockX and stuff, but if you can't, then they will be on the web store, untitledway.com. There's like this white ASSC shirt over here with like black lettering. Also, there's this maroon one, which I think is kind of cool over here. Again, I'll put these up on the screen, what they look like unfolded and stuff, because I'm not going to open these just because if I do want to sell these things, they will move better if they're in the bag and stuff. So I'm going to leave them like that. There's actually only like one ASSC shirt that I do like, and I'm hoping that's in this mystery box. It's like this one like Sakura Blossom one. So if that's in here, then I feel like that'll be a win. Okay, so 2 more in here. Again, I don't see any golden tickets so far, so that kind of sucks, but that's okay. This one is a pink ASSC shirt, and this one is a ASSC Playboy tee. So yeah, it has a Playboy bunny over there, and it's on a black t-shirt. And I gotta let you guys know, so far this is kind of feeling like a little bit weird. I know ASSC is like a hypebeast brand and stuff, but for the most part, if you guys didn't know, there's not much resale on those shirts. The average resale and stuff for this is like $60-ish or so. So if you guys are paying like $140 or whatever I said for a box, then you're actually losing out, I believe, on like $20 or so if you're hitting that $60 threshold. Again, some shirts are more hyped than others, and they will sell for a little bit more. I don't know what the prices of this stuff is, but I did put it on the screen for you guys so you guys can kind of like compare, are these boxes worth it, you know? So far no golden tickets, so that kind of sucks. This one is a K-Koch black ASSC shirt. See, and it's just getting kind of like redundant, right? They're all ASSC, so it is what it is, but this is nuts, man. Again, I paid for this myself, and this is great to see because we actually hit on a golden ticket, guys. This unfortunately is not for the Red Octobers. That would have been crazy. However, I think their golden tickets and stuff, they have like a whole bunch of different prizes and stuff too. Like I saw somebody win an Off-White Jordan 5 in the same drop, Jordan 1s, and I guess they have like Supreme stuff as well, because this one says that we won a Supreme box logo beanie in the brown colorway, which was included in the box. So that is this beanie right over here. It is dead stock, I'm assuming, so that's kind of cool. Brown Supreme beanie over here. And so this beanie is called the Rust beanie, and it's actually reselling for about $130-ish or so $130 for this. So essentially, I guess this box was technically free. I got 2 ASSC shirts in here plus this beanie, so that means that the shirts are essentially free because the beanie pays for the box itself. So that's pretty darn dope, guys. Final thoughts on that. Like I said, it is tapped out. I bought 3 boxes, and one of the boxes had a golden ticket. It wasn't for something like super crazy, but I mean, we did hit on something, so that's kind of cool. I do want to let you guys know that I bought this box under a fake name. I do that kind of often because I know that this channel is starting to get a little bit bigger, and I don't want people to send me stuff like, you know, like this, like golden tickets and stuff, because I don't want them to think, oh, it's a YouTuber, they're gonna be opening this up on a video and stuff, so we gotta juice the box, you know. So I try to buy things under like pseudo names, so I actually bought this under my girlfriend's name instead. So I'm not sure if this is like a normal thing, like, you know, you buy 3 and your chances of getting a golden ticket are pretty good. But for my first tryout of these boxes, I mean, that doesn't look too bad. That's a good hit. If you can win 33% of the time, like at least something small, I think that'd be kind of cool. However, I want to say that we just got lucky this time around, and it's probably not going to happen next time. So that's just my take on this. However, it does seem like it is legit. So my honest review for this thing is it's not bad, guys. It's not bad. Whoever does hit that Red October though, I want to see like proof, you know, that somebody hit. That will be the big thing for me, the big factor to see, hey, is this thing legit, man? Because if you guys didn't give out a pair of Red Octobers, then you know what? I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it. So that is going to be the game breaker for me. That is my final take on this, guys. Overall, I would say it's not a bad investment. You could get worse mystery boxes. So maybe try it out, buy 1 box, see how it is. But yeah, seems pretty legit to me. Anyway, guys, that is actually it for this video. All of these ASSC shirts and also this Rust beanie will be on the web store. Also, as a heads up, we do have a giveaway running right now. I will put that in the description below, which is linked in this video up over here. You guys can check out that video for that information. Also, we have a giveaway running for these bad boys right here. Bam, a pair of Travis Scott SB Dunk lows, which it's a little bit different for that one. You guys have to be Soul Steals members for this one, but I mean, your chances of winning are very, very good. Only people that watched that video got the link for that raffle, and again, you guys have to be members for Soul Steals, which means that there is a very, very low amount of people entering, which means your chances are probably very, very good. It's not going to be like, you know, trying to find the Red October in these boxes. It's going to be like maybe a couple dozen, maybe 100 people at most entering, so your chances should be very good for that one. So highly recommend you guys check that out and enter over there. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button down below. Hit subscribe if you guys are new here and you guys enjoy this content. And as always, guys, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots.